That's cool.
Daddy has to stay at her island and do some work, and I have to relax on my seat.
Yeah.
Get to see the willow tree. Where's my water? There, what's that? That's my water?